Team, listen to me very carefully. See, if you really want to speak very good, for example, because in your section B, right, and in your section A, it could be in your section B, section A, either you have to speak or either you have to write. Is it clear to you?
Sir, disturbance is there today.
Can you please mute? Uh, एक second. All of you please mute. अगर देखते हाँ ठीक है okay. So for example, so now today you have to repeat after me. Okay. See, you know what? TEF based upon these verbs. So repeat after me. Akurir. Repeat after me. These are the vocabs. See, we already have done a lot of things. We have done how to make an arguments, how to start the project. But now we'll work for the vocabularies. These are the vocabularies which is a modern vocabularies, right? Which you will use in your TEF pattern. Repeat after me. Akurir.
Akurir.
Basically, akurir is to hasten. See, we use the vocabulary alonzi, alonzi, alonzi. Namesh, we use alonzi in section B. Wazi, we use. Tell me, Namesh.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, now for example, you can use akurir also. So basically, akurir is to hasten. Is it clear to you? Eme miyaka, very important. Team, eme miyaka, repeat after me, team. Now you have to use this. If you're making your arguments, right? If you want to convince the people out, eme miyaka, it is something like, it is prefer that. Eme miyaka, basically to prefer that. Now, prefer that is, you will say there's a vocab of prefer. Yes, because now we are working for a smart modern French. From with these type of vocabularies, you will get your marks because you have to score B2 plus, not B2, B2 plus, right? So use these vocabularies. You use the vocabulary, please. Akurir. Repete après moi. Akurir.
Akurir.
Eme miyaka.
Eme miyaka.
Miyaka. Clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Comte. Repeat after me, please. Comte. Comte is basically to intend. Team, now we are working with the vocabularies. Comte is to intend. Why I'm using these vocabularies? Because these are the vocabularies which you have to use. If you're making arguments, to intend. Comte. Repeat after me. Comte. Repeat after. Comte. Être censé. Very important. Namish. Use these vocabularies. Être censé. Which is to be supposed. If it is to be supposed that.
Yes.
Être
Yes.
censé. Être censé. So basically to be supposed. Is it clear to you? Repeat after me. Fair. Learn these vocabularies. Fair. See, we are not working for the vocabularies which will take from the dictionary and we are using. No. These are the TEF vocabularies. Fair. Why we are working for TEF vocabulary right now? मैं अभी ये क्यों दे रहा हूँ आपको? Because you already have done a lot of things now. Now, if you will make your arguments to be prefer that imimiaka to intent compte, attention, to be supposed, right? We have the verb which is fayir. Repeat, fayir basically to be on the point.
Fine.
Fayir to be on the point of. Whenever you enter yourself in your section B basically for letter writing and your oral, when you have to convince your examiner. So you use these type of, obviously you require these type of vocabularies. Paraître, I think everybody will know paraître. Paraître is basically we have to appear that, paraître. Repeat after me, paraître. Paraître.
Paraître.
Repeat after me, team. Paraître.
Paraître.
Valoir autant. Very important. Valoir. मेहर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए. मेहर. Valoir.
Yes, sir.
autant. Valoir autant is to be good. हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में is to be as good as. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is valoir autant. Valoir mieux. Repeat after me, Namish. Is to be good as. हम बोलते हैं is to be better as.
Yes.
Valoir mieux. Say Claire. Use this now. Say Claire, team.
Yes, sir.
सर इसमें ये एलओजी वाला इन तीनों का मतलब बता दो.
Aluzi क्या है basically? Namish, can you explain Aluzi and Wazi to Harvinder?
Alonzi is like let's go. Let's go, like we use in the our informal section B when we have to convince our friend, like let's go to the place, let's go to the market. So we normally say in like Hindi, चलो यार चलते हैं हम दोनों. So there we use in an informal way, like Alonzi ensemble, Wazi ensemble. So that's how we use these two.
Very good. क्या होता है? Very good, Namish. Alonzi is basically हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में चल भाई चलें अब. Come, let's move, let's go. Alonzi. Say Claire, ensemble we have together. So these type, abhi कराऊंगा Harvinder, don't worry. So
Okay, sir.
these type of things which we use in section B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Meher, Alonzi, Wazi, you can use
Yes.
the Jad role pattern.
Okay.
In your section, when you start your B1 exam, Del B1, वहाँ पे Jad role होता है students के साथ.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Jad role की काफी sessions मेरे कल हुए हैं, theaters हुए हैं कल. वो आज आपको मिल जाएंगे सारे theaters. 15-20 theaters हुए हैं वो. कल नहीं हुए, सॉरी. ये हुए हैं 3 दिन पहले. सैटरडे हम लोग का हुआ था, संडे हुआ था. ओके.
Okay.
Say Claire, d'accord, which I will send it to you. Clear?
Okay.
Now, so
Okay,
these
sir.
are the TEF vocabularies. Use it out. Accourir, rallonger, vazi, ememiaca, préférer, compter, être chancé, faillir, paraître, valoir autant, valoir mieux, allons-y. What is valoir autant? हम बोलते हैं is to be good as, is to be as good as, is to be better as. So use this.
Yes.
It will give you the marks then. Say Claire. D'accord?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now repeat after me. Convenir. Repeat after me, team. Convenir. Convenir, हम बोलते हैं accorder. What is accorder? Is to agree, is to okay. Accorder. Convenir is my vocab to be agree. To agree. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
सर अग्री आप लोग भी यही होता है ना? अग्री.
Agréable, exactement. C'est clair? Se dépêcher. Sir, de peche, basically, again, you can use in your section B when you convince your examiner, sir, de peche, ki hurry up. Fatafat, let's do hurry up. To hasten. Hurry up, sir, de peche. Say Claire.
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Om peche, repeat after me. Om peche is to prevent. With these type of vocabularies, team, you can make your arguments. Arguments बनाने के लिए टीम आपको vocab चाहिए होती है, जैसे कि एम एम का prefer is to prefer that it is to be prefer that it is to be good as valvar oto, it is to be best as valvar mia. Say Claire. To be on the point that et son say. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Then we have vocab merite, very important. If we have a ague, merite is my vocab to deserve. Merite. Repeat after me. Merite, neglige. Repeat after me, team. Neglige. Neglige is to neglect. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then we have the vocab is persuade, very important. Team, these are the tough vocabularies. Use it out. If you will use these vocab, in your writing, maybe in your speaking, basically for speaking, obviously persuade is to persuade. Let's persuade with this. Persuade. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? एक ना हमारा vocab आ सकता है subplanter में भी कंप्लेंट होता है इसका मतलब, बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कंप्लेंट वैसे यूज नहीं होता है, लेकिन कई बार subplanter का रीडिंग में यूज होता है planter. So you have to understand planter is to complain. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes.
बोलो prendre soin. Répétez après moi. Prendre soin. Prendre soin literally meaning prendre soin is to take care of. Prendre soin is to take care. Say Claire. Literally meaning of prendre soin is to
Take care.
care. Team, is it clear to you?
Yes.
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 Clear? Now use the vocab which we have. Let me see the vocab which is prendre plaisir. Very important because we are working for prendre. Prendre plaisir. Prendre soin is to take care. Prendre plaisir is to delight in. Prendre plaisir is to delight in. Is it clear to you? Tell me, team.
Yes.
Say Claire. Suborne. Very important. Team, use करनी है ये. Suborne. Suborne basically is a vocab to limit oneself. Suborne. Say Claire. Repeat after complex. Repeat after me. Complex. These are the vocabularies. Verb. Complex to take pleasure in. Complex. Repeat after me.
Complex.
Consentir. Repeat after me. Consentir. Team, now why are you working for the vocabularies? Now, abhi kyun kar rahe hain? Because you already have done lot of pattern. अब आपको जो आपको पता है उसको आपको finishing देनी है. Say Claire. Akriti ma'am, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So consonant means my verb to consent. Is it clear to you? Clear हो रहा है मैम आपको? Être décidé, destiné, incité. Repeat after me. Incité. Repeat after me, please. Incité.
Incité.
Say Claire. So incité is my verb to incite. Advire. Let me ask to you. Okay, so repeat karo sara vocab. Harvinder, can you repeat the vocabularies, please?
Yes, sir. Accourir. allons-y, vas-y,
Was it?
aimez,
One second, please. Yeah.
Epson,
Okay. Yes, Arvinder, can you start up?
métier,
Yes, yes. Start up, please.
consentir, incite. Next is valomi, persuade, se plaindre, prendre son, prendre plaisir.
अब देखो. Repeat after me. Encourager. Tell me. What is encourager in French? Encourage. Encourager. So let's do the vocabularies. Let me write it down. May I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Encourager, inciter, stimuler, soutenir, aider, flatter. Repeat after me. Vocab use करना है हमको. Encourager is to encourage. Encourager. Inciter is to incite. Stimulate is to stimulate. Soutenir is to support. Aider is to help. And flatter is to flatter. Flatter. Repeat after me, please.
Encourager,
Encourager, yes. Flatter.
Encourager, inciter, stimuler, soutenir, aider, flatter.
Because in section B, if something you are doing flatter, it means flattering. Say, Claire, my team. Is it clear to you? Clear? So repeat after me, please. Repeat the phrase, repeat the language, please. Encourager. Repeat.
Encourager,
Inciter.
inciter,
Stimuler.
stimuler,
soutenir, flatter.
Is it clear to you? Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So basically, inciter, you can use the vocabulary where it is something like to be, aggressive way. Say, Claire. Is it clear to you? Now, repeat after me. We have the vocab is être déterminé. Repeat after me. Être déterminé. So être déterminé is basically used to be determined. Se dévouer. Repeat the vocab, please. Se dévouer. Se dévouer is my vocab to devote oneself. Say, Claire. Se disposer. Repeat after me, please. Se disposer. Se disposer is my vocab to get ready. Use this vocab, please. To get ready. Se dévouer. Se disposer. Être déterminé. Say, Claire, team. Is it clear to you? Engager. Repeat the vocab, please. Engager is to engage. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Se vertuer. Very important. Se vertuer. Se vertuer. Very important vocab, team. जब तक आप इस vocab को use नहीं करोगे, ऐसी vocabularies, then see how, what is deaf? Deaf is only based upon your techniques. Se vertuer, एक second hold करना please. Se vertuer is basically to exert oneself. It means to try. Se vertuer. Se vertuer is to exert oneself, to exert. To exert oneself, to try. A try, we have what? Essayer. So we have se vertuer. Is it clear to you? Team, repeat after me. Se vertuer. Repeat, please. Yes. Is it clear to you? So repeat after me. Se vertuer. Repeat after me. Se vertuer. Se vertuer basically to exert. Exert is essayer, is to try. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
हम बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में you have to be excel in it. Excel. Excel, right? Excel. Use these vocabularies. XLA. Why we use these vocabularies? For example, you stuck somewhere, so use XLA. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes.
Clear. So Site entweer. Repeat after me. Entweer. Entweer is my vocab to induce. Entweer. Entweer. Repeat after me, please.
To induce and we.
And
Is my vocab to induce. Is it clear?
induce.
Induce is something like,
Yes.
you know,
Stimulate kind of.
yes, stimulate. Is it clear to you, all of you? Enthuse.
Yes. And
So let's repeat after me. Entweer. Repeat after me, please.
And we.
Entweer is my vocab to unseat. Is it clear to you? Entweer. Clear? Now, for example,
Yes.
Acha, can you repeat the vocabularies? Akriti ma'am, can you repeat the vocabularies, please?
Sir, जितने अभी तक हुई हैं? Okay. Akurir, eme meyaka, alonzi vazi, komte, etre sonse, fair, paretre, valvar otto, valvar mia, covenir, accorde, sa de pesce, ompesce, merite, negleye, persuade, sa plendre, prendre soin, prendre plaisir, sa borne, sa complaire, consentir, inciter, accuraire, stimuler, soutenir, flatter, aider, être déterminé, se dévouer, se disposer, engager, se vertuer, exceller, and enduire.
Yes. Meher, can you repeat the vocabularies, please?
Yes, sir. Akurir, aloye, vae, eme miyaka, prefere, et sons, failure, comte, paret, vouloir autant, valoir mia, convenir, accorder, dépêcher, empêcher, mériter, négliger, persuader, sa plaindre, prendre soin, prendre plaisir, sa borner, sa complaire, consentir, inciter, encourage, inciter, stimuler, flatter, aider, soutenir, être déterminé, se dévouer, se disposer, engager, se vertuer, exceller, endure.
Very good. Is it clear to your team?
Yes.
Okay. Now again, we are working for vocab. Let me share the screen with you. Okay.
Sir, what is the difference between K and key? Q-U-E and Q-U-I.
K is that and key is which. Say
Okay.
D'accord. Okay.
Yes.
Now repeat after me. Être tenu. Être tenu. Repeat after me. To be bound. Yes. हम बोलते हैं you have to bound. अच्छा, what to say? For example, you want to speak in French, you have to bound this work, okay? What is that? Bound. Être tenu. Because tenir, see, these are the expressions which you're working for. Say Claire, my team. Être tenu. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, my team? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Être tenu. Say Claire. D'accord.
Yes.
So repeat after me. Être tenu. One second, I think there's some mistakes. Yes. Être tenu is my vocab to be bound in. Say Claire. आपको दिख रहा है ये? एक second.
Sir, screen कुछ गड़बड़ सी।
Okay.
अब
Repeat after me. Être tenu. Say Claire.
Être tenu.
Say Claire. Voyez. Very important vocab. Bolo voyez. Let me write it down. Voyer is my vocab to attend to. Yes, attend to. Namish, use करो इन vocabularies को. इन vocabularies को चलते फिरते use करो. Voyer. Say Claire, viser. Viser is my verb to aiming, to aim to. Aim to. Viser. Say Claire team. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Pousser is my verb to push. Pousser is my verb which we use for inciter. Say Claire to pousser. Pousser. So basically we have used for again to push, to incite, to urge. Say Claire. Now, prendre plaisir. Have we done prendre plaisir? To delight in. We have done prendre plaisir.
Yes.
Say Claire. D'accord. Is it clear to you, all of you?
Yes.
Okay. टीम मैं ना आपको एक सेशन दिखाना चाहता हूँ. उस सेशन को जरूर देखना है अभी. होल्ड करो एक सेकेंड. वो सेशन अच्छा हम ना सी we are working for subjunctive also exactly. You know, if you really want to score very good, हम एक vocab use करते हैं falloir को. I'm not sure कि वो मैंने आपको explain falloir, right? Falloir is a very important, see falloir. Now, for example, if you really want to speak very good, right? You can use falloir. If you really want to write very good, you can use falloir verb. Without falloir verb, see today also, nowadays, at this moment also, इस moment में आके भी French के I use a lot of time falloir verb. Lot of multiple times we use falloir verb, right? So मैं एक सेशन लगा रहा हूँ. छोटा सेशन है, खाली 10 मिनट का सेशन है. वो एक बार आपको नोट डाउन करना है. Say Claire, उसमें falloir verb की explanation है and falloir verb टीम आपको आपके मार्क्स इंक्रीज करती है बहुत ज्यादा. Is it clear to you? Can we start? Are you ready? And you have to pen down entire content. आपको दिख रहा है मेरा YouTube? दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Akriti ma'am, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very important. I have picked one vocab which is falloir. Repeat after me, falloir. अगर आप falloir को यूज करते हो ना, आप अपने 10-20 पॉइंट्स वैसे ही बढ़ा लेते हो. 10-20 मतलब it's not point, it's marks out of 100. Yes. Falloir basically is my verb, c'est le verb. Emploi. What is emploi over here? Emploi. Emploi, c'est-à-dire quoi? Emploi. To apply. So, emploi. Emploi du verbe.
अंकित emploi को हम job नहीं कहते थे.
Emploi, see, you know what, Jivya? That is employé. Emploi, see, now for example, we have a word like that, like, we have a lot of senses, right? It means यहाँ पे emploi का मतलब क्या है? वो ध्यान समझना Jivya. We can say it's job exactly, but मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? Emploi du verbe को ध्यान समझना. falloir हिंदी में क्या है? falloir वर्ब का कार्य क्या है यहाँ पे? Is it clear to you? How we can apply the falloir verb? Is it clear to you? So we have a lot of senses. Say Claire, Jivya.
B.
Now, for example, if I will say, Jivya, what is your job over here in this session? It means you're not, it doesn't mean that you are doing work over here. It means I'm saying what is the task it may be assigned to you and you have to maybe, say Claire. So, emploi du verbe. See, repeat after me, team, because now this is
Emploi du verbe.
Cross the line. Emploi du verbe.
Emploi du verbe.
Emploi is not about only we can apply for job. Emploi basically we apply the verb of falloir. Say Claire, falloir is a very important verb. Now, for example, if you really want to speak very good, so falloir, we have 3 senses of falloir. Il faut, répétez après moi. Il faut. Il faudra, very important. You have to apply this. Il faudra, répétez après moi. Il faut, il faudra, et il faudrait. Répétez après moi. Il faudrait. C'est clair, my dear. So now, répétez après moi. Falloir is my verb to, you know, must, obligation. Your falloir, I created the falloir verb in three sentences. Il faut, c'est-à-dire, this is a present tense. Il faudra, c'est votre futur. Il faudrait, c'est votre conditional. Would. Take care, my team. Repeat after me, team. ये Akriti ma'am and all of you, is it clear to you? समझ आ रहा?
Yes, sir.
बहुत important है team. Falloir is a very, very important verb. बोलो मेरे साथ आप il faut. If you use in English, it is very important. Don't use il tries important. They say भी आप use कर सकते. You can use. अब मैं कह रहा हूं कि आप use कर सकते हो. So vous pouvez employer ce verb. C'est clair. See what I'm saying? समझ आ रहा को employee का मतलब क्या है? If I will use, you can use this verb. Vous pouvez employer. Either I can say vous pouvez utiliser, but utiliser can be used with employer. C'est clair, team? D'accord? Employer. Basically, these are the vocab which we are working for, because if you use these type of sense, then jury will come to know, yes, you know the pattern of crossing the language. C'est clair? D'accord? Okay. See, understand my concept. Vous pouvez, okay. अब employee is my verb too. You can say job, employee. Employee यहाँ पे मैं क्या use कर रहा हूँ? You can use this verb. C'est clair? Vous pouvez employer. Sir, type the verb. Falloir. You can use. Team समझ आ रहा है आपको? Arjun, Amandeep ji.
Yes, sir.
Claire. See,
Yes, sir.
very important. See, employee, emploi, use. Obviously, every the more we can say it's job, but over here in the sense of language, you can use this. Vous pouvez employer, vous pouvez utiliser. This is how we can see. Now, for example, par exemple, you will say vous pouvez utiliser. C'est bien utiliser is my verb to utilize, but I can say je peux dire vous pouvez employer. C'est clair, d'accord? So, emploi du verbe falloir. Now, par exemple, il faut, if you will say in present tense, it will be important, il faudra. It would be important, il faudrait. It was important. Past, il a fallu. Is it clear to you, my team? Very important. Il faut, il faudra, il faudrait, il a fallu. Say clair, my team. Tell me yes and no.
Claire.
Claire. So, Jivya, can you explain falloir verb with 4 tenses?
Yeah. Falloir verb, the meaning of the falloir verb is to must or obligation. Pour emploi du verbe falloir. Vous avez quatre verbes et quatre types de verbes. Quatre types de what we say sentence.
Phrase.
Okay, quatre types de phrases. Par exemple, la phrase première, il faut, il est, nous utilisons les phrases premières pour le présent. La phrase deuxième, et il faudra. Nous utiliser la phrase il faudra pour le future.
Future, c'est très bien.
Future. Pour la phrase troisième. Troisième, nous avons utilisé. Nous avons नहीं.
Nous pouvons utiliser. Nous pouvons employer.
Nous pouvons employer les phrases il faudrait.
Il faudrait.
Pour le conditionnel.
C'est très bien, excellent.
Et pour la phrase quatrième, nous utiliser la phrase il a fallu.
La phrase il a fallu. Now, what is that? Very, very good. Merveilleux. C'est extraordinaire. Very good.
Très bien.
Now, observe. Team, observe that falloir. Now, basically, votre falloir, c'est quoi? Have to. C'est clair. Falloir, c'est-à-dire quoi? To be necessary. C'est clair, my team. Falloir, c'est-à-dire quoi? Must. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you, team? Now, basically, team, for example, I will say, il faut travailler, in present tense. Il faut, that you have, if you say, you have to work, okay? So, il faut travailler, c'est clair. And team, utiliser le verbe falloir, premièrement. And gradually, we can move with this, you know, we have a lot of verbs. It's a kind of falloir, c'est clair. Now, for example, we have il faut que. Now, basically, team, il faut is my subjunctive also. Now, what is subjunctive? Il faut que is placed under subjunctive. Team, what is subjunctive? Now, listen to me very carefully, please. We have two types of present tense. Team, listen to me very, very carefully. We have two types of present tense. One, we have simple present tense. For example, we have verb être. Now, être in French, repeat after me, répétez après moi. In French, répétez après moi in French, the present tense is divided into two parts. One is present, and again is present, but one is subjunctive présent. Repeat after me, subjunctive présent. Repeat after me. Subjunctive présent, it means subjunctive present. See, what is subjunctive over here? Listen to me. Subjunctive is based upon your moods, your mood, your expression, obligation. When the situation is doubtful, subjunctive is based upon your mood. You know, you are sad, you are happy. And when the situation is doubtful, whenever you are not sure, in that case, we have to apply subjunctive present tense. See, one, we have a present okay tense, like we have done already. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est, c'est clair. Is it clear to you? Now, yes. For example, we have subjunctive présent if my expression is coming under, my phrase is coming under expression, obligation, doubtful. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. Clear? So, team, very important. Repeat after me. We have two types of Jivya, very important. We have two types of present tense. If my present tense is coming under the category of doubtful, if I will say, I'm not sure Jivya will come on time. So Jivya come on time. So I can say Jivya come, Vanir Vapa present. So we have a subjunctive present, I will apply. I will tell you how to create subjunctive present tense, right? If I will say, I'm not sure Samantha Madam can reach on time. So I'm not sure. So this is coming under the subjunctive. Is it clear to you? If I will say, Sonata Madam, you have to do this work. You have to. Now, for example, have to is my verb to the verb. Listen to me very carefully. Achha, make a sentence. You have to do this work. Simple. You have to do this work. Clear? In simple present tense, I can say tu dois. Is it clear to you? Tu dois faire. Tu dois faire. You have to do. Such ouvrage we can say. Is it clear to you? Clear? Is it clear to you? So tu dois. See, over here, I'm working for the subjunctive. Now, for example, I can say tu dois faire ce travail. It means you have to do this work. Clear? Now, this is, you know, tu dois is my present tense. But over here, we have the full verb is devoir. Tell me yes and no. The full verb is devoir. Say clear. Team, is it clear to you? Tell me yes or no, please.
Yes.
Hello. Is it clear to you? All of you.
Yes.
But if I will use my subjunctive is come always after que. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Yeah. Okay, now, for example, if I will say, it is very mandate. See, listen to me very carefully. It is mandate, I will say. It is mandate. It is mandate that you should do this work. बहुत ध्यान समझना है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पैटर्न है. दिस इज हाउ वी कैन वर्क फॉर अ टेफ. Team subjunctive will come after that. That's a pet line you have, pet phrase, I will say. You have to understand. Subjunctive is come after that. Is it clear to you? Obviously, it is not. You can apply subjunctive always after that, but your situation should be your, you have to come up with your expressions, obligation, doubtful. Now, I will say it is mandate that. So this is situation or obligation. Tell me yes or no. See, if I will say it is mandate, so I can say il faut que. Tell me no, yes and no. Il faut que, it is mandate that. Is it clear to you, team? Il faut que, Jivya, Swata, madam, tell me please.
Oui. Yes, sir.
Il faut que. If I will say tu dois, ये मेरा गलत हो जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ मैं प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज कर रहा हूँ, बट मुझे सबजॉन्टिव प्रेजेंट चाहिए क्योंकि il faut que is coming under the category of subjunctive. Say Claire, my team. Tell me yes and no. So team, first we have to understand what is subjunctive present tense. So davar, what is the davar subjunctive present? I can say kasha thwav, kathu thwav, yes. Kilkel thwav, ka nu davyo, ka vu davye. That why ka? Because that subjunctive is always come after that. ये जरूरी है कि तुम्हें, it is mandated that is not a normal phrase, this is subjunctive phrase. Say Claire, pour cette raison vous devez appliquer, ajouter. Say Claire, subjunctive phrase. Say Claire. So il faut que tu doives. This is my see, this is my present tense, but subjunctive present tense because il faut que is my subjunctive. Que tu doives should do this work, que tu dois faire ce travail. Tell me yes and no. Is it clear to you, Jivya?
Oui.
I understand.
बट अंकित जैसे आपने दवार बताई, सिर्फ दवार का ही है ना, इसमें काफी सारी वर्ब्स होंगी.
ये it is only for दवार. We have athr also, we have avar also, we have exactly, we have savar also, dir also. Say Claire. Il faut que tu dois faire ce travail. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Now, for example, okay, I can say, Swata madam, it is mandated that you can, it is mandated that you come on time. It is mandated, simple बोल रहा हूँ, it is mandated that you come on time. Say Claire. You come on time. What is that? Il faut que. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Now you will say you come on time. Say Claire. Come is what? Vanir verb. Tell me yes or no. All of you.
Yes.
See why we were doing repetition of, see when I was not there. So Prabhat ma'am trying to explain to you the previous recording. Why? Because I want that verb conjugation has to be strong. Say Claire. So what is Vanir conjugation? Tell me.
Je viens,
tu viens, il vient, nous venons, il vient. So if I will say il faut que tu viens, galat. Because this is my simple present. Il faut que is my subjunctive present. So today we'll do two subjunctive. One gradually we'll only pick two subjunctive verbs, so that one day will come wherein, see, for example, if we'll do two subjunctive verbs, only we have measured 15, 16 subjunctive verbs, rest we have a formula, the rest of the verbs. See, now, for example, we have irregular verbs wherein we have to learn the present tense by heart. Je viens, tu viens, elle vient. Over here, again, encore, nous avons la conjugation pour subjunctive. C'est clair. Which tu dois, c'est clair. Apprendre. Vous devez apprendre cette conjugation. C'est clair. Now, for example, what is venir? I can say que je vienne, que tu viennes, qu'il vienne, que nous venions. C'est clair. Que vous veniez, qu'il vienne. C'est votre subjunctive phrase. C'est clair. Et vous devez apprendre. C'est clair. Venir, Subjunctive is Kashavien, Kachuvien, Kilkelvien, Kanuvanion, Kavuvanie, Kilkelvien. Say clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Say votre conjugaison. Say clair. So il faut que tu, what I can say, mandate, que tu viennes. Say clair. Vienne à l'heure, on time, à l'heure. Team, is it clear to you, all of you? Now you came to know what is ilfo a bit. 5-6% पता लगा. Ilfo का बहुत बड़ा, you know, बहुत बड़ा concept है. It's a very big concept we have. But यहाँ तक पता लगा team आपको, because आपको speaking करनी है, आपको writing करनी है. So this thing has to be strong. Is it clear to you, team? Amandeep ji, is it clear to you?
अंकित, मेरा ना एक छोटा सा डाउट है.
Yes,
ये
बोलो
पूरी
आप.
चीज तो समझ में आ गई. जो ये ना इला फालू का मतलब क्या होता है?
It took. मैं बोलूं कि it took like, हम बोलते हैं इला फालू का ना, बहुत इला फालू समझाऊंगा आपको मैं. इला फालू, I can say it took. I can say इला फालू is what I would say. It was very necessary that, ये बहुत जरूरी था कि it took me like so much of time. कुछ भी इस टाइप से. इला फालू से वो पास से कंपोज है. नेसेसरी का पास क्या बनाओगे? Now I can say it was required that, it was required. What is required? Requisite. So आप क्या बोलोगे? No, इला फालू का simple. It was required that because that faluar verb, इला फालू. Say clair.
Okay.
Then we have a subjunctive. Say clair, mademoiselle.
Like ilfo is it is necessary.
It is necessary, present tense. Il faudra we have, it will be required, it will be important, it would be important. Il faudrait, il a fallu, it was required. Say clair. Is it clear to you, Jivya?
Yes.
Jivya, we have a lot of concept over here, but obviously every demo gradually, okay, we will continue with this. Say clair. D'accord? Now, who the survey il y a des phrases qui sont très différentes. C'est clair. Now, par exemple, il y a des phrases pour désirer, par exemple. Désirer via vouloir verb. So, obviously, je veux, tu veux, but exactement, subjunctive, c'est différent. C'est clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? But today, what we have done two type of present tense. One is devoir. Tell me devoir subjunctive. Tell me devoir subjunctive. Bolo ka je doive, ka tu doives, qu'il doive, que nous devions, que vous deviez, qu'il doive. C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. D'accord? Now ici, par exemple, venir que je vienne, que tu viennes, qu'elle vienne, que nous venions, que vous veniez, qu'elle vienne. C'est clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? Clair?
Yes.
D'accord? Clear? बच्चों इस पैटर्न समझ आया आपको? टेल मी yes and no.
Yes.
ठीक है? इस पे हम कल एक काम करें. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, जो आपका फालवार वर्ब है, now you came to know फालवार verb, how we can use फालवार verb, because you know नमीश, हम फालवार verb को बहुत यूज करते हैं. Is it clear to you? आकृति?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you know what, जो हमने आज वो कैप किया है, basically जो हमने ये फालवार यूज किया है, it will help you to create your sentences. Is it clear? अच्छा, ये आज का सेशन कितना समझ आया आपको हरविंदर?
सर आ गया तकरीबन सारा.
मतलब you know कि हमारा जो टैफ का जो वोकैब है, जो हमने अभी यूज किया, उसको प्रैक्टिस करना है हमने. फालवार वर्ब को हमने यूज करना है, राइट? ऐसी बहुत सारी वर्ब्स हैं जो हम यूज करते हैं.
ओके.
फालवार के जैसे बहुत सारी वर्ब्स हैं जो हम यूज करते हैं, which we call as subjunctive. Is it clear to you? कल हम एक काम करेंगे. कल only we will work on subjunctive के expressions हैं कुछ. Almost वो कोई 70-80 expressions हैं subjunctive के. अगर उन expression के साथ आप बोलते हो section B में, you will get your scoring.
Okay.
कल only will work for subjunctive pattern with the expressions. कल हम subjunctive की speaking करेंगे, right? क्योंकि सेक्शन बी में अगर आप subjunctive को बोलते हो, ध्यान समझना, you will get your score obviously. मैं कन्विंस नहीं हो रहा हूँ, बैक टू बैक subjunctive के एक्सप्रेशन आप लगा रहे हो, राइट, यू विल गेट योर स्कोर. आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में जो आप लेटर राइटिंग करते हो वहां पे आप 7-8 subjunctive ऐड ऑन कर रहे हो, यू विल गेट योर स्कोरिंग. सो tomorrow will be the module wherein we will work for subjunctive expressions, right? And डे आफ्टर टुमारो हमारा फिर एक पेपर रखते हैं हम TEF का, जिसमें हम ओरल और राइटिंग को ऐड ऑन करेंगे. कैन वी डू दैट? क्या आपको
Yes,
फिर इज इट क्लियर टू यू? क्लियर? हरिंदर, आपके लिए भी नया होगा ये सेशन, कोई बात नहीं, एक बार आपको अभी समझ आया सारा सेशन?
सर एक्चुअली ना आपने मुझे एक सबजॉन्टिव की वीडियो भेजी थी, मैंने वो देखी थी पहले एंड मैंने उसको पेन डाउन भी करा था.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. लेकिन
तो
वो
शायद
अलग
उस
वीडियो,
वजह से.
हाँ, वो अलग. ये जो कल वाला टॉपिक होगा ना, सबजॉन्टिव के जो मेजर एक्सप्रेशन हम यूज करते हैं टाइप में, वो होगा. सो दैट कि आपका ओरल, नमीश, आकृति मैम, जैसे हरप्रीत मैम, अमित जी एंड मेहर, अभी आप पुराने हो, राइट? सो कल हमारा वो लास्ट मॉड्यूल होगा वेयर इन विल वर्क फॉर द एंटायर वोकैब ओनली फॉर अ सबजॉन्टिव. सो दैट कि मैं आपको डे आफ्टर टुमारो एक हम पेपर रखें ओरल और राइटिंग का, लेट्स सी कि आपका प्रोग्रेस क्या आ रहा है अभी. इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर आकृति मैम?
Yes, sir.
ओके, ठीक है.
Sir, I want to ask a question regarding Pepe. I saw your video which you sent to me.
पेपे पार्टिसिपासे.
हाँ सर, उसमें पार्टिसिपासे में आपने मतलब वो जैसे ई एग डाल के बनाना है, वो तो सारा ठीक था. उसमें एक आपने कंसेप्ट बताया हुआ था, उसमें एक ई एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करना है, एस और ई एस ऐड करना, मुझे वो
हाँ,
तो उसमें थोड़ा सा डाउट है.
ठीक है, वो हमारा ना एथ वर्ब के साथ है.
ओके.
ओनली इन केस ऑफ एथ वर्ब. जो भी यू नो वी हैव एथ फैमिली वर्ब, हरविंदर.
हाँ जी सर, 14 verbs are there.
यस, जो भी एथ वर्ब होगी उसके पास के कंपोजर के साथ, अगर वो फीमेल है तो हम ई ऐड करेंगे पेपे के साथ. फीमेल प्लूरल ईएस, मेल है तो एस ऐड हो, सॉरी प्लूरल है तो एस ऐड होगा. से क्लियर? जैसे हम बोलोगे वी वेंट, तो हम बोलेंगे नुसोम जाले. अब हम बहुत सारे हैं, अब ई के ऊपर एग्यू लगेगा, ए वाला सिंबल वो लगा लेना. तो
हाँ
बहुत
जी.
सारे तो हम यहाँ पे एस लगाएंगे. अगर गर्ल्स बहुत सारी जा रही हैं तो हम क्या लगाएंगे?
ES.
क्लियर?
Yes sir.
बट ओनली इन केस ऑफ एथ वर्ब.
Okay.
दाकुर. सो इसका प्रैक्टिस करना आप सेशन का, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज. ठीक है, कल वी विल वर्क फॉर 80-90 एक्सप्रेशंस. ठीक है, और ना कुछ जज रोल के सेशंस है व्हिच आई विल शेयर इट विद यू, उसको देखना शुरू कर दो आप. क्लियर? ओके, जज रोल के कुछ सेशंस हैं, उसको आप देखना शुरू करो, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं आपको शेयर करूंगा वो सेशन. जज रोल क्या होता है? रोल प्ले एक्टिविटीज होती हैं. क्लियर? आकृति मैम, हरविंदर.
Yes, sir.
ओके रमेश, ठीक है, चलो, विल मीट यू टुमारो देन. ओके.
Okay sir.
And
Okay.
obviously we'll do lot of tasks in terms of letter writing and section A again. ठीक है, एक बार उस expressions पे काम करते हैं. 80-90 expressions हैं जो हम कल करेंगे, and let's see your score then. Clear?
Okay sir.
Okay.
Okay, फिर उसको हम gradually scoring को improve करेंगे. अभी बहुत सारा टास्क करना है हमने, it's lot of tasks which we have to do. ऐसा नहीं है कि, लेकिन कल के सेशन के बाद let's see कि स्कोर क्या आ रहा है. Clear? Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay.
और आप भी हैं तो
अब